I was out on my own, I was looking for some excitement. Oh, but it's harder than it looks, this pursuit of enjoyment. Man, I'd been a few places, drank a few beers, had no luck. The closest I got to conversation was this girl asking me to shift up. Man, I'll give this place half an hour, then I'm off. God, it's weird how you get to thinking that it's their loss. You know, the same old places, same old faces, normal thing. I had this crazy idea that something might be happening. Well, half an hour passed and I was on the move again. But I'd only made a few yards down the road when it started to rain. I took shelter in a doorway, I thought I might smoke a fag. I realised I'd got no matches just before I realised I'd got no fags. Man, and I'm fucked if I'm putting £2.50 in a fag machine. Man, you pay for 20, you're lucky if you get 16. No, I guess I'm rollies, I guess I'm matches, I guess I'm skins. I had this crazy idea that something might be happening. Fumbling through my pockets, I stumbled upon a blim. I got tobacco and Rizzlers, man, I was cooking. But I don't know nowadays when I smoke a spliff. I feel shit until it wears off, and when it wears off, I miss it. Oh, you know, life can be a bitch, it really can. The things we do for fun, it's beyond me, man. So here I am, sat drinking on my own again, with that crazy idea that something might be happening. I'm the same way now. That something might be happening. I had this crazy idea that something might be happening. I had this crazy idea that something might be happening.